Welcome to our comparison of the MSI MAG A550BN and the MSI MAG A750GL gaming power supplies. Today, we'll explore the differences and similarities between these two units to help you make an informed decision. The A550BN is a compact 550W power supply with an 80+ bronze certification, while the A750GL offers a robust 750W output with an 80+ gold certification and a fully modular design. Let's dive into the details. The first category we will discuss is wattage. The MSI MAG A550BN provides a power output of 550 watts, which is suitable for mid-range gaming builds. However, if you plan to upgrade your system in the future or run high-performance components, the MSI MAG A750GL offers a higher wattage of 750 watts. This additional power can support more demanding hardware, making it a better choice for gamers looking for longevity in their builds. Next, let's talk about efficiency ratings. The MSI MAG A550BN is 80+ bronze certified, which means it offers decent efficiency but is not the best in its class. In contrast, the MSI MAG A750GL boasts an 80+ gold certification, indicating higher efficiency and lower energy consumption. This not only helps reduce your electricity bills, but also contributes to a more environmentally friendly setup. Finally, we will compare the modularity of these two power supplies. The MSI MAG A550BN features a non-modular design, which can lead to cable clutter inside your case. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A750GL is fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need for your components. This not only improves airflow within your case, but also makes cable management much easier, resulting in a cleaner and more organized build. In conclusion, both the MSI MAG A550BN and A750GL have their strengths and weaknesses. The A550BN is a budget-friendly option for mid-range builds, while the A750GL offers superior performance and efficiency for those looking to invest in a high-end gaming setup. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.